if you want to create YouTube videos while you are away from your studio, this video is a structural guide. In this video, I'll tell you a step-by-step process on how you can still create YouTube video with proper voiceover using the AI with your face cam video. So if you are away from your studio and making vacations, don't worry, this video will teach you how you can still run your channel and videos without actually appearing on the camera. I'm Adit and you're watching Skill Curve. So first of all, let's talk about this video will be divided into 3 topics. First will be the images, and the second will be the video recording, the audio recording stuff, and the final part will be combining all the stuff together and making the video. Alright, let's talk about the image part. So first you have to click an image of you while you're sitting in a professional studio. Make sure the image quality should be very much higher. But now for me, I can take any example of someone downloading from Google, or I can just simply go to an AI image generation tool, and there I can generate an image with the help of AI. And since I generated an image of a YouTuber kind of guy speaking with in front of camera and with mic of his podcast mic, I'm all ready to set for the next part. So now I hope you got this part. Like, you have to click your own pic, and if you don't want to appear, you can also generate your AI avatar. That's totally up to you. But if you click your own pic with proper camera quality, it will be much more effective. Now, since we have AI image generated, now next thing we need to talk about is how we gonna put the voice in it. First, we'll go to ElevenLabs, and here you can use the voice clone feature. Or if you don't want to clone your voice or you don't like it at all, what you can do is just simply go to the text to speech option. Here you can just write a script out, and the V3 version of this ElevenLabs is also pretty smart. It can make much better voice with proper emotions. You can use these bracket, and here you can put your emotions like laughing, wicked laughing, and your AI voice will speak like that. So your voice will be full of emotions, which will make your voice as human as it sounds.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're into tech, you're in the right place. Here we break down complex stuff into bite-sized content, whether it's the latest tools, hidden tricks, or just cool things you didn't know you needed.
Okay, so I guess we are done with the voice part, but wait, we are not. Okay, so this was the part people who don't want to include their voice. But if you want to include your voice, what you need to do is you can go and record your voice using the softwares like Audacity or something, and that's it. Your voice is absolutely ready to be used. Okay, we have generated images and audio. Next part is the main part where we'll generate our talking avatar, which we can use it for our YouTube videos or any kind of videos, depends on your use case. Okay, so we will go to HeyGen.com. This is a tool which will help us to generate this talking avatar. Okay, the interface you can see on your screen is pretty simple. You can see on the left side there are some options like assets, templates. We will totally ignore that part, and we will see the main screen part where you can see photo to video with avatar AI. Just ignore everything, click here, and you can see a proper pop-up window where you can see upload option and the script part. Now this is the part where we have to play this game. Okay, on the left side you can upload your photo, which I talked about, to click your own photo or maybe an AI generated avatar, depends on you. Okay, just upload your image like I did, and now it's time to upload your script. Well, you can also write your script here, but wait, the voice of HeyGen is not that good. So it will sound like a robotic voice, which will not sound good on your HeyGen avatar. So what you can do is click on this blue link which says upload or record your audio. Once you click here, you can now upload the audio which we generated from ElevenLabs. Okay, just make sure you have the proper script and proper voice that matches your avatar, otherwise it will not look good. Okay, since we already have that voice, we can simply click here and upload it, and that's it. Now both are things ready. Now on the left side you can see there's an option of custom motion. Here you can also type our hand gestures, like what kind of hand gestures you want, so your AI voice and AI avatar looks perfectly synced. While I will leave this option as it is, you can put your here your different kind of avatar. You can go to ChatGPT and ask for different kind of gesture, but I'm okay with that. What you can do is you can select on 720p to 180p, totally depends on you, but 120p requires a little bit paid subscription, but 720p is also good, at least for demonstration purpose. Just simply click on generate video and it will take some time and your video will be ready.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're into tech, you're in the right place. Here we break down complex stuff into bite-sized content, whether it's the latest tools, hidden tricks, or just cool things you didn't know you needed.
Okay, you can see this video now, and okay, now you can say the video of AI technology is absolutely enhancing. I remember the last year it was so bad. Now it's just almost like you talking in the camera without even being there. Okay, so it's almost like running a remote channel without being actually in the studio. Okay, so now we got the essence of the video, that we just created image, we created sound, and we created the video, and everything got mixed up and we got this entire avatar video. Either you can use your video editing software to just add up to the things and upload it, but I will not stop there. I will tell you more options to create much more kind of avatar of talking. Okay, we will go to the chat GPT and all the prompts in the description, by the way. You can go and copy the prompts in the description and enjoy it. Okay, so I have this animated cartoon image I generated from MidJourney. So this is an animal. What we can do is we can also make him speak. Okay, that's gonna be very fun. What you can do is simply just upload the pic of that weird animal that we generate from AI. I'll just upload an audio of a random thing and that's it. You can see how clearly the lip sync are visible.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're into tech, you're in the right place. Here we break down complex stuff into bite-sized content, whether
And that makes me think the AI video generation is going much more than I expected. Okay, the fun is here. Now we will generate our cartoon 3D kind of Pixar kind of animation with the help of ChatGPT and HeyGen. Okay, we'll do simple one thing. First, we'll go to ChatGPT and copy this prompt. You can copy this prompt from description. It's there. You don't need to worry about it. Just copy this prompt and paste it on the ChatGPT. So we started this prompt as the Pixar, Pixar 3D cartoon style of image, and just simply paste the image and that's it. It will start generating the image of that avatar. You can even use your photo to convert it into avatar. I'll just use the same avatar image we generated from AI. Okay, we got this photo, but one thing you can see is the ratio of the ChatGPT given by is terrible. So 16:9 is the perfect ratio, but ChatGPT gives you very terrible ratio. We have to improve it. But how? You can do these two ways. First, you can go to Figma and just extend it to the 16:9, but it may cut off some of the part which you don't want it, honestly, and nobody wants it. So what you can do is you can also go to MidJourney, and here you can also use extend option, and it will extend the both side of your pic and will make the pic look much better than the previous one. Now you can finally use this photo to HeyGen and upload the script. And go to the HeyGen again, and we will repeat the same step. So make sure you follow very carefully. We'll just upload that image. Here we can upload the audio, or you can write your script. Honestly, you can also click on here a small surprise me button, and it will randomly generate some of the script which are almost very lame. Okay, now the talking videos here, and it almost looks very fun, like the way Pixar 3D animated cartoon generated by ChatGPT is good. Okay, now one thing I need to talk about is why I use ChatGPT for this generation. We can use any other tool too. So let me tell you, ChatGPT take context in a very well manner, so it's just much better to create such kind of images with the help of ChatGPT. It also makes the cartoon very consistent, so I'll say go with the ChatGPT, at least for now. Okay, what if you want to create a female avatar talking. Okay, we have to address this too. Okay, what you can do is you can simply go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt, or you can just simply convert this entire this Pixar 3D cartoon male into female, and it will just be that easy. Okay, just simply paste it, and ChatGPT give you another terrible ratio image. You have to fix it again. You can go to either Figma and just go to the MidJourney, just extend it, and you're good to go with this female avatar. The female avatar one is looking absolutely good. The Pixar 3D art style always looks good when it comes to generating these images. Go to again the HeyGen, upload the image, enjoy the quality of the video, and now see all these 3 videos. Okay, I can never imagine that one day I've thought these AI will be that much good, that much creative, that they can actually automate the most of the video parts which we used to think about. So now we can almost be in the studio without being in the studio, and with just one editing software we can reach to this level. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.